Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the workspace and assets so you avoid interruptions. Open your RAW or high-resolution files in the editor and set a consistent color profile. This ensures colors remain accurate when exported. Once done, make a new project or folder and confirm scratch disk and cache locations to prevent slowdowns. You should also create a non-destructive workflow by duplicating layers or enabling adjustment layers, so you can experiment without losing originals. You tackle the main image corrections next, focusing on global fixes before details. Start with exposure, contrast, and white balance adjustments using the histogram to avoid clipping, and then apply lens profile corrections to fix distortion and vignetting. After global tweaks, remove distractions with healing or clone tools and refine composition with cropping. Make selective edits using masks or adjustment layers so you can target skin, sky, or highlights without affecting the whole image. You finish by preparing files for delivery and safeguarding your edits. First, sharpen and reduce noise tuned to the final output, checking at 100%. Over-sharpening creates artifacts. Then soft-proof for the intended color profile and export JPEG or TIFF with proper resolution and compression for web or print. Make a layered master file so you can revise later and name exports clearly. If colors or banding appear, check color profile mismatches as the first troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.